Good service is more valuable because good service creates value. Value is created in your production. We help you maximize your production, and we call this value added for you. In short, VALYOU. With over 1,350 service employees worldwide, we share one common mission: your performance. We keep this service promise throughout the entire lifespan of a machine. Good service begins before the start of production. Our on-site team ensures a smooth installation of our solutions with highest precision and passion. But machinery is only as good as the people operating it. In the HOMAG Academy, we offer a variety of training modules for your personnel regarding hardware and software. We offer first-class training in our training centers all around the globe, as well as conveniently online or directly on your shop floor. Good service defines successful daily business. With HOMAG, you have access to over 25,000 spare parts in stock, with fast delivery included. Maximum performance can only be achieved through fusion of hardware and software. With our broad offering of digital solutions, you can monitor the performance of your machines, organize your production more easily, and receive improvement suggestions. Our Service Assist app offers you fast help directly on demand so that you can solve many problems directly on your own. And if you need further support, Service Board simplifies your service request. Our service employees are keen to help you master your challenges successfully via video diagnosis, a traditional hotline, or directly in your production facility. Being proactive is always better than being reactive. That's why we offer regular inspections on your machinery to recognize issues early and prevent downtimes. Furthermore, our service offering includes express repairs of machine components, executed directly by our experts at HOMAG. Simple, fast, and professional. Good service exceeds the operating phase. We can help you transition from good to better and offer wide-ranging upgrades, like modernization programs and automation solutions. Furthermore, we offer process analysis services that indicate optimization potentials and help you increase the overall equipment effectiveness. Together, we make your production fit for the future. We are not just your machine manufacturer, we are your production partner. A partner who is always there for you like a friend, no matter when, where, and which challenges you face. VALYOU means more performance, efficient processes, fast help, constant availability, and increase in knowledge, all for your personal added value. VALYOU. Our mission, your performance. HOMAG, your solution.